Hi there! Welcome to our Best Kayak Guide channel. In this video, we are looking at the topic, does kayaking work your core? We highly recommend you to read the full in-depth blog post by go to the link below. So let's dive in. Kayaking is a fun and easy way to get some exercise, and it works out a lot of different muscles in your body. Your arms, shoulders, back, and legs all get a workout as you paddle. What about the core muscles of your body? Kayaking definitely works your core muscles. Paddling requires a lot of trunk rotation, which activates the muscles around your midsection. In addition to paddling, kayakers also have to constantly adjust their position within the boat, which uses the stabilizer muscles in their core. Want to find out more about how kayaking works your core muscles? In the full blog post we have written on our website, we have done hours of research and divided the topic into the following areas. Number 1, what muscles does kayaking work with? Number 2, how does kayaking work with core muscles? Number 3, the 7 core muscles. Number 4, what causes strong core muscles? Number 5, the activities improve the core muscle work while kayaking. Number 6, the importance of core muscle strength for kayaking, and some related matters. As I mentioned before, we go into much more detail in our blog post about the above topic. Inside that article, we dive into each of the areas above, covering many more questions around them. Just click the link below, and you can read all about the research we have done on this topic. See you inside the blog post, and let us know if you have any more questions in the comments below. Have a great day, and thank you for checking out bestkayakguide.com.